Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing some questions from exercise 5.3. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 4. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 150 and 25 respectively. If one of the number is 50, find the other. Okay. So what is given here? The LCM and HCF of two numbers are, that means this 150 is the LCM here, okay, and 25 is the HCF here, okay, like that only written. The LCM is written first, that's why we are taking LCM first, okay. HCF is written second, that's why 25 we are taking second respectively. If one of the number is 50, so this 50 we will assume as a first number, okay. As you can see here, first number we are taking 50. Then in this case we have to find out second number. Clear to you? So what we have? We have LCM, HCF, first number, second number we have to find out, okay. Now we have to use the formula, and formula you know very well. Second number equal to LCM into HCF divided by first number. LCM into HCF divided by first number. Okay, now we have to use value. LCM what is given here? 150. HCF what is here? 25. So 25 I have written here, divided by first number. What is the first number? 50. So write here 50. Okay. Now reduce the term. This 0 cancel by this 0. Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Now what is left? 15 into 5. When we multiply, we will get 75. This will be what? This will be second number. Clear to you? This is the answer, 75. Understood? Now we have question number 5. The LCM of 550 and 660 is 3300. The LCM of 550 and 660 is 3300. So this is the LCM here, okay, and this will be the first number and this will be the second number. What we have to find out? We have to find HCF. Clear? So LCM is 3300, first number is 550, second number is 660. We have to find out HCF, okay. So you know very well what is the formula to find HCF. HCF equal to first number into second number divided by LCM, okay. Now we have to use the value. First number we have 550, so as you can see on the screen, into second number we have 660. So right here 660 divided by LCM, and LCM we have 3300. As you can see on the screen, 3300. Now reduce the term. This 0 cancel by this 0. This 0 cancel by this 0. Okay. Now 33 1 ja 33. 33 2 ja 66. Okay. So what we have left? 55 into 2. When we multiply, we'll get 110. This will be what? HCF. Let me correct here. This will be what? HCF. Okay. Understood? So this is how we can find out HCF when we have first number, second number and LCM. Now question number 5. Find the smallest number of 5 digits which when divided by 12, 16, 20 and 24 leaves no remainder. So we have to find out smallest 5 digit number, okay, smallest 5 digit number which should be divisible exactly by 12, 16, 20 and 24. Okay, how to solve? First we have to find out the LCM of given number. Given number, that means 12, 16, 20 and 24. Okay, you know very well how to find LCM. So here you can see the LCM 240. Now what you have to do? you have to take the smallest 5 digit number, and you know very well what is the smallest 5 digit number, 10,000. Okay, now the next is you divide this 10,000 by 240 and check whether it is completely divisible by this or not. Okay, so now here you can see we have 10,000 and we have to divide by 240. Okay, first it will go how many times? 4 times. When you multiply this 240 by 4, we'll get here 960. When we subtract, we'll get 40. Okay, now bring down this 0 here. Now became 400. Now it will go how many times? 1 time. Okay, now when we multiply this by 1, we'll get 240. Now subtract, we'll get the remainder 160. That means this is not completely divisible by 240. So this we cannot divide by 12, 16, 20 and 24 exactly. Okay, then what will be the number? How to find the particular number? How to find the smallest 5 digit number? For that what you have to do, just add here 1. What we will get? 42, and multiply this LCM 240 by this 42. Okay, now whatever number will come, that will be the smallest 5 digit number. Clear? Here you can see 240 into 42. When we multiply, we'll get 10,080. This will be the number. When we divide by 12, 16, 20 and 24, we will get the remainder 0. That means this is completely divisible. Now find the greatest number of 6 digit which when divided by 18, 27, 36 and 45 leaves no remainder. Now in case of greatest number, what you have to do? Same way, find out the LCM as you can see on the screen. So this is the LCM 540. Okay, then write greatest 6 digit number. And what is the greatest 6 digit number? 9,99,999. Okay, after that you divide this 9,99,999 by this LCM. As you can see here, this is the division. When you divide, you will get the quotient 1851 and remainder you will get 459. Okay, now for finding greatest 6 digit number, what you have to do? You need to subtract this remainder from greatest 6 digit number. Okay, as you can see here, 9,99,999, and here we are subtracting this remainder. Okay, 459. When we subtract, we will get the exact figure. Okay, this is the number. When we divide by 18, 27, 36 and 45, we will get no remainder. Clear? Understood? So this is how we can find greatest 6 digit number. So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.